Good morning, sir. This is our presentation about the project we propose. The face shield with non-contact thermal scanner system. COVID-19 pandemic, which started in Wuhan, China last December 2019, has brought on a new era and new way of life wherein following some simple precaution has become a must of survival. With a total of 442,785 COVID-19 confirmed cases in the Philippines, the country continues to implement tighter precautionary measures, especially with the reopening of business and government establishments in areas under general community quarantine. The active cases as of December is 25,325, while the recovered patients is 408,790, while the positive COVID-19 died is 8,670. Social distancing is very important now. Safe distance, keep at least a distance of 1 meter, 3 feet, at least 3 feet between yourself or other people. While in older adults, try not to come in contact with the elderly, as they are the most vulnerable to the virus. Or much better, don't go outside. The most common the most common symptoms is fever. Associated with COVID-19 is a fever, which is typically experienced by the patient within 2 to 14 days after exposure. A normal body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and anything above this particular temperature indicates fever. Therefore, in the current outbreak of COVID-19, thermometers play a vital role in diagnosing and screening the individuals who might be exposed to COVID-19. That's why we propose a project of a thermal scanner with face shield. The objective of this project is to design a face shield with thermometer to modify the function with the following characteristics. Number 1. Determine if someone has a COVID-19 infection. Monitor the temperature of an individual. Display an accurate reading and test the functionality and reliability of the thermometer. And evaluate the performance of a non-contact thermal scanner. The scope and limitation of this project. The study will focus on design, testing, and evaluation of an infrared-based thermometer in this system. The effectiveness of non-contact thermometer can be limited by several factors. This includes infection without a fever, use of fever-reducing drugs, misreading normal temperatures as elevated, and failure to follow the instruction for use. The methodology of this project is body or object and the temperature sensor. After putting it in the front of the body, the Arduino will display the temperature in the OLED display flowchart. Start, initialize pin A4, A5, and OLED, continuous loop, read data, display data, delay and end. These are the equipments we use in this project. Number 1 is MLX 90614 IR temperature sensor. System use a MLX 90614 IR temperature sensor for non-contact temperature measurements with an accuracy of degrees Celsius and a sensing distance with the field of view of the sensor. It has an I2C interface to communicate with microcontroller. Next is Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is used in this system as a microcontroller. It has 60 MHz crystal oscillator and a 14 digital input-output pins. It is programmed using an IDE environment with C or CPP. Main features: operating voltage 5 volts, microcontroller 80 mega 328, input voltage 7 to 12 volts, clock speed 16 MHz. Next one is the ultrasonic sensor. Coupled with the long-range infrared sensor, the ultrasonic sensor is primarily utilized for monitoring social distancing of 1 meter between the people. It emits a sound wave at a very high frequency undetectable by human ears, functioning as a radar. It determines the object distance through frequency hits, returning as an echo. Next is the infrared distance sensor. An infrared distance sensor with a sensing distance of an 150 centimeter is used in the system to detect the presence of a person. Next is OLED 4-pin display. The system uses a 0.96-inch OLED display the person's body temperature detected by the infrared thermometer sensor. OLED displays are also known as organic light emitting diodes. Next is the buzzer. The buzzer is used in the system to notify by the alarm. It makes the moment the object or body temperature detected is above normal, greater than 37.5 degrees Celsius. Next is the jumping wires. Jumping wires are simply wires that have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect 2 points to each other without soldering. This is our project, the result and output. And this is our pre-survey evaluation. That's all. Thank you.